Sawete. In this lesson, we will be learning about more pronouns. This time, the third person personal pronouns. These are the words for he, she, and it. We're going to be focusing on using the third person pronouns in sentences. Because they are pronouns, they can be used in all the same ways that a noun can be used in a sentence. But using them requires more thought than simply using I or you. We have to consider which gender to choose, masculine, feminine, or neuter. We have to consider whether we should use singular or plural, and whether I should use the nominative, genitive, dative, accusative, or ablative case. When we use a third person pronoun in a sentence, the correct form must be determined by finding the antecedent and knowing what the pronoun is doing in the sentence. Do you know what an antecedent is? If not, make sure that you copy down the following pieces of information. First of all, the pronoun must have the same gender and number as its antecedent. The antecedent is simply the noun to which the pronoun is referring. You may remember that I mentioned it briefly in one of the sections of the lesson on the demonstrative pronouns. Once we know the gender and number of the antecedent, we will know what gender and number to use for the pronoun. The case, however, will be determined by that pronoun's use in its own sentence. Let's see if you can answer a few questions about the antecedent of a pronoun.